everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. Kicking off outfit of the day, what I wore, where you get a week of outfits. You get lots of puppies and some PA weather in there, as well as life. So I sure hope you stick around, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. If you're new, I'm Laura. I do have furry sidekicks. This is Dexter. Excuse me. Loki is the white puppy dog. We have Willie, who's the Jack Russell, and Harvey, who's the kitty. So we do have a full furry house, don't we? So for this Sunday, it is 72 degrees, getting up to 80. It's going to be a very nice day today. And I dressed with that in mind. I do have a video to do for you guys. I'm going to try to get done first, and then I'm headed to the pool before I can't go to the pool anymore. So I'm pretty casual today. I have on denim shorts by Pistola that I got in a JB Stylebox. Paired it with a simple tee. I love this color from Wantable. Flip-flops, which I could live in. If the weather would permit, I could. These are by Sanuk, my favorite brand for flip-flops. And I didn't put any jewelry on today. I just have on what I've been wearing. So the earrings I haven't been taking off and my permanent jewelry. That's it today. All right, the puppers are getting all fired up as I head into filming, right, for another video. So it should be a fun one. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Monday, time for outfit of the day. It's a gorgeous day out here at 76 degrees, getting up to 78. The sun is shining, it's beautiful. And my Wantable active edit posted today. I thought it was a really good one. Jordan always does such a great job. Because the whole 20% wasn't in play, I ended up only keeping 4 items. So I did keep this cute little set. I love these when the weather starts to change and I'm not ready to put pants on. Plus, not to mention, it's just comfortable. So I kept the Z Supply set. I did keep the black joggers, or the black pants. These are by Z Supply. So they were the wider leg. Cozy, comfy. And then I did keep the Z Supply tan pants as well. So all Z Supply I kept. There was 4 Z Supply items. And that's everything with that one. So I kind of am enjoying getting the active edits again. I hadn't gotten them in probably 2 years. So I have 2 ones in a row that I really like. For today's outfit, I have on cut from the cloth shorts I got in a Trendsend. I have a long sleeve or a short sleeve tee from Z Supply that I also got in a box. I think this one is from a Wantable. And then paired it with sandals. These are by Dolce Vita, of course. Love those. And for jewelry, my normal. I have on my Louis necklace, a bracelet stack, ready for the day. All right, I will see you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, time for outfit of the day. The puppers are with my son, so we have some quiet. It is a overcast day. The rain finally came, so after a week of no rain, it's probably been weeks of no rain. The grass is brown. Finally, we got some rain. That will continue, I think, until the weekend. So we need it. The temperature has finally dropped. So after it's been like in the 80s and beautiful, I loved it. It is now down to 69, getting up to 72 today. Yep. Still a nice day out. Yesterday, I came out after work and just sat outside and just enjoyed the last few moments of I felt like summer. But as we all know, yesterday was fall equinox, right? So the first day of fall, I think it started at like 2:19 p.m. So it is officially fall, and we're going to continue to see all of these leaves change colors here over the course of the next month or 2, I think. Probably a month will do it. Yeah. For my outfit today, I have on a pair of Pistola denim. I got a Trendsend that I hadn't worn yet, so I wanted to fit those in. Love these. Paired it with a Z Supply top. Enjoying this one as well. This one came in a Wantable. I did put one of my Nicky Bicky little half camis on underneath here. Love this one. It's reversible. It has a V-neck, and then on the other side, it's a U-neck, so super cute. And then I have my belt that I just got from Ever Eve. How cute is this belt? I love it. The cow print is so in this year, right? It is so in. So I love this belt. I grabbed it when I think Ever Eve had a sale. And for shoes, Stitch Fix. How about these? These are DV Dolce Vitas. I'm loving the little ruffle. You guys have seen these before. They're kind of fun. It's nice enough to still have the toes out. At least I think so. And for jewelry today, I have on my necklace I've been wearing all week, my bracelet stack. These are all bracelets I got when I was in Manila last year. And I'm ready for the day. It's about lunchtime now, so I'm halfway through it. And I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, time for outfit of the day. It is a little cloudy today. Again, like the rain's continuing, which is okay. We needed it. It's 71 degrees. That's pretty much the high for today. It still feels really nice out here. Doesn't feel chilly. Doesn't even feel like fall yet. It feels nice. Just feels like a rainy summer day. My Cupshe haul posted today. Oh, so good. Like, I know I picked these pieces, but it's just so good. I love whenever you can get really great pieces at an affordable price. Cupshe has it. Of course, I have a discount for you and a surprise in that video, so please go check it out if you haven't already. And for my outfit today, I have on, again, summer pieces. I'm hanging on, but I got brown on, so I'm feeling the fall. I have on Citizens of Humanity shorts from Nordstrom. I have on a top by Z Supply, Ever Eve. It was part of their collaboration, so I got it in a Trendsend. And then my belt is from the Loft, just a simple gold belt. Pulled out my Donald Pliner sandals. I love these, got them during the anniversary sale. And for jewelry, I have on my Louis necklace I've been wearing this week, my bracelet stack. And that's my outfit. You might say, where's the puppies? They're in timeout right now. They've been a little bad, so we need to like calm everybody down. But I'm sure you will see them tomorrow. I'll catch you then. Hey everybody, it is Friday, time for outfit of the day. We made it. It is beautiful today. 67 degrees, getting up to 73. In the sun, it feels really hot. It is so nice outside. I grabbed a cardigan for this morning because I had an errand to run. Didn't need it, but still have it on because I want to show it to you because it is adorable. And for my Friday Funny, I thought it might be nice to just share a little bit with you all on what it's like on a daily basis with the puppies, usually during a meeting, but at least in the mornings when they're more wound up. This is a little bit about what it looks like. Maybe I should have warned you to turn down your volume, right? They're too funny. But this is a normal rowdy period. They like to do this first thing in the morning, and many times it happens during my first morning meeting, like the 9 o'clock-ish time is usually when they get the most fired up. And Dexter is the biggest noisemaker. They all can be, but he is the biggest noisemaker in the house. And for my outfit today, all right, so I have on a Cabi outfit. I love each of these pieces individually. I love them together. Since it's Friday, I went with a cool V-neck tee. I can take off my cardigan. I don't need it, but like I said, I'm going to show this to you guys first. But as you can see, it's a nice little tee. Love this V-neck. Paired it with the GG Skort. I love this Skort so much. And then this adorable cardigan with the meshy back, the see-through back. How cute is that? My necklace is even Cabi. I love this one. And then I just picked my bracelet stack. And for shoes, yes, how about these? Love. Got these during the Nordstrom anniversary sale, you may remember, but loving the leopard. Goes with my fun leopard nails I did this time, which I'm in love with. I should have saved them because I'm going to Las Vegas here in a couple weeks for a conference. And I'm like, oh, these would have been perfect, right? So I'll have to figure out what to do next. If you have ideas, let me know. And that's a wrap on today's outfit. All right, we'll be back with one more. I'll see you then. Hey everybody, it is Saturday, time for final outfit of the day. The gang is all here except for Harvey. Harvey didn't come outside. It's going to be a pretty day, but it's starting out a little cooler, 58, but it still feels nice. It's getting up to about 73 today. We'll see if the sun comes out. And yesterday I got a chance to do a live with Lisa. She has brand new arrivals. Orders have to go in on Sunday, so we were trying to get that posted. So please go out, check it out. We had a lot of fun. Quick and easy. I think it's 28 minutes from start to finish. And we got through all of Lisa's new arrivals that she had to show. I think there's 16 pieces total. She had half of them, which I think were the best. So it's worth checking out. And then today my loft haul posted. This was a huge haul, and I think it was one of my very favorites. The leopard, the leather, it was just so fun. The versatility of all the pieces. So please stop by and check that out as well. Loft pieces go for amazing prices because they're always having sales, and they sell out so quickly. So make sure you get the pieces you want to try. And for my outfit today, final outfit this week, I have on a outfit from Trendsend. So I have on a jacket. I think this is Blank NYC, the jacket and the skirt, both from a Trendsend. I have on a tank top. This one is from Good American. Got it from Nordstrom. For shoes, I have on Mark Fisher. You've seen these before, little flats. And then my normal jewelry. Bracelet stack. I'm ready for the day. All right, well, I'm off to breakfast with my friend. Hope you guys are having a fabulous start to your weekend. And as always, I will post or link at least as many of the items directly as I can. Many come from boxes. So for each outfit, I will let you know which items came from boxes. And of course, the links are there for you to give them a try if you'd like to. Can't wait to hear what your favorite outfit was this week. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I'll catch you next time.